So I think it's safe to say we were both huge fans of Cartoon Network back in the 90s.
Mm-hmm.
Mainly, yeah. That's a great response from you. Like, because it had so many better cartoons on it. And I don't even remember every single good cartoon show from back in the day. All I know is...
I do.
Well, there's so many to remember.
Sheep in the Big City.
Wow, I forgot about it.
Anybody remember that one? I love that one.
I forgot about...
That one was my favorite.
I forgot about Sheep in the Big City. See, I forget about all the obscure...
There was a robot one. Or my classmate's a robot. Something like that.
Osmosis... No, Fuck, I don't remember that robot show. I know what you're talking about.
It might have been Osmosis Jones.
No, Osmosis Jones was the
it's something Jones.
Whatever happened to Robot Jones?
Yeah. Where his classmates are robots.
Man, talk about all the obscure shit. That
Nina and the Count.
Mina and the
Count, sorry.
Yeah, Mina and the Count. Ed, Edd and Eddy, Johnny Bravo, Powerpuff Girls. Just to name a few that we could stop it. We could be here all day listing shit off.
Ed, Edd and Eddy.
But no, they made a Cartoon Network. I guess this is a fight.
Cow and Chicken.
I guess this is a fighting game, though. I don't know, but I think they made it way too late because Cartoon Network hasn't been as good as it's been ever. I don't think it'll ever get back to that point. So it's funny. We have a pretty robust character select screen of good Cartoon Network people, and we can't pick a single fucking one of them. No, you can't pick any of them. I looked at this a little bit ago.
It's gonna be random.
Yeah, what? Gee, you wonder who it was gonna be.
Oh, there's a Coup. I want to be a Coup.
Yeah, there's a Coup. There's Samurai.
I want to be the Scotsman.
Wait.
Oh my god.
Oh god damn it.
He is like my favorite character out of Samurai Jack was the fucking Scotsman.
Look at that. There's goddamn Captain Planet.
The fucking psychotic Scotsman. Fucking love him.
Oh, there's the dad from...
Oh, there's Flapjack.
Oh.
They came with a sailor hat. It's Flapjack.
Oh, okay.
You remember that obscure where he had Bubby the Whale and...
And there's the father from Kids Next Door.
One of the last cartoons I saw on Cartoon Network was Flapjack.
There's Monkey. So many good characters, and we can't pick a single fucking one of them.
See, I remember when Chowder came out.
I never saw that.
I didn't like that.
Finally, a hero who can help.
Yeah, because fuck the rest of the roster.
fuck the other heroes. It's like, no, it's Ben. It's all about Ben, damn it.
Candy from a baby, or food from a world whose whole economy is based on food.
Why are you red?
Because you picked the original. I'm not even hitting anything.
I didn't pick the original. I hit random.
But then it gave you the original Ben, so since...
You never got the black.
I picked a different suit.
And these bad guys are not just going to let you move on. So if you want to make it to the end of the episode, you're going to have to get
I know.
the old
well, I didn't know what it would be. Okay, so square is your regular attack. X is a weird jump that flings... Look at that, I'm flying...
Okay, triangle you can do stuff.
Oh, I transformed into something.
Circle. That's swamp fire.
Yeah.
Cupcakes are health.
Apparently. And this is the world of Chowder?
Yeah, it's a culinary.
Hold down the block button and press right. Wait. Oh, so wait. Oh, so R1 is blocked, so hold that down and roll. And, uh-oh, Broccoli has a gun. Why does the Broccoli have
It's the evil Broccoli episode from the Powerpuff Girls.
I remember that.
Where, yeah,
they wouldn't eat their
like
vegetables.
Alien broccoli from outer space.
And the professor was like, you have to eat your vegetables to stop.
All the adults were eating it, so there was like brainwashing the town.
Uh-oh.
Ah!
No!
Ah, shit!
Did you fall?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh my god, he just... Oh, if you... Okay, so... Get out of here!
God damn it,
He just doesn't want to...
What the...
The platform broke! Something shot it! Oh, okay. That was weird. So he was he possessed by the weird stink cloud?
No,
or...
that's his pet.
Oh, that's his pet.
This calls
what?
for Mr. Smoothie.
Yeah, I shouldn't. Because I never saw that show, so I wouldn't know.
It's a stupid show.
It seems like it would be. Oh, we get him now.
Yeah.
Kind of stupid how... So do you want to be Ben or do you want to be Chowder?
Ben
And be
Tennyson,
Chowder, I guess.
Chowder and kimchi.
So that means... hopefully we see other... Possessed Chowder. Oh, so that means this is Possessed Ben, I guess. Hopefully it won't be that long before we see other characters. Like, what about Pops? Why can't we be Pops?
Grandma.
Wow, this is a problem. Where'd he go?
Man.
Ah! Well, there I go. This is a problem for games.
I guess the game fixed it, so.
Yeah. More than the developers ever could. And, well, there goes the platform. Oh, there it is.
Oh, man.
Oh, apparently... Oh, no! Apparently don't touch the yellow things on there. Because I guess they... yeah, see, there's like little... Those things, they shock you, I guess. What the... Okay, that was weird. You don't have to do this, apparently. Why is it always mine carts? I know it is. Well, I mean, at least they try and give you some sort of variety. Except the minecart, when you jump, you have to, like... It's pressure sensitive. Because, see, look at that. I held it for a long time, and I jumped really far. I hate minecart sections. I just got done playing another game involving minecarts, thank you. I'm not going to say what it is, because it's not going up yet, but you saw me play it, so you know. Mind your manners. Well, I did pretty good. If I got a 95. Well, there goes that. Bam. And I like how you get to come back and you're fully healed. Even though you didn't do anything in the minecart. Now, hopefully the game doesn't have the problem again where it gets itself stuck. I mean, like I said, though, this isn't a terrible game. It's bad. It's bad, but and mainly it's bad because you could tell what it's trying to be and it's failing. Because I was playing another Cartoon Network game that was on PS4. I forgot the name of it, but it was good because it was at least trying to be original. How long does this tunnel go for? Clearly, how did you make this thing so big? Ah! Well, there goes that. Oh, you're back. Ta-da! I thought we were supposed to be in a Powerpuff Girls universe. Okay. That's good for... What the hell is that thing? Oh. So... Did this happen in the show? Where Kevin got turned into a monster fused of all the other aliens? Okay. See, I never watched the show, so I wouldn't know. It seems like a cool concept, I just thought it was dumb execution.
And then sat in it for a while. What I'm saying is he's really ugly looking.
Well, thank you. Oh, so I guess after this we'll probably unlock Kevin then, I'd imagine.
I know he's hard to
Because see, I think he is a character. Oh, and he just has, okay, he just has bar health at least. Is that his sister?
Yeah.
When did she get powers?
She became a witch.
I didn't know you could just become a witch.
Well, she stole the book off of one witch villain.
Oh,
And she began reading it, and therefore she learned magic.
somehow that allowed her to learn magic?
Yeah.
I didn't know that's how it worked.
So, stand.
Oh, and her shielding.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, and then attack the thing. Okay. Because, yeah, like, I remember watching, like, I watched a tiny bit of Ben 10, and all I remember is her just being there. I don't remember her actually doing anything. So I'm guessing she became a witch way later then.
I say it's a witch thing, 'cause that's what the one is, but...
Oh, that's what the thing was.
I
that
guess she's not a witch, but she does...
Because that's how... You could read a book and just learn spells.
Yeah.
Because that's how it works.
Oh, there you go.
I'll stay in. There you go, you're back. Oh, shit. She made platforms. Okay, the thing is dead. I don't remember seeing her on the selection screen, so you'd think being her would be... That is still so weird to me that she has powers. And I forget, he has an Omnitrix kind of like Ben... Or no, he has powers too, doesn't he?
He has powers.
What was it, to absorb the material of something
Anything
he
touches, yeah.
He becomes that material.
Yeah.
Okay.
He used to be human, then he got tainted.
Oh.
With that ability from another villain, so...
So everybody's gaining their abilities from villains.
Yeah.
Okay.
Dude.
Because I think when he touched the Omnitrix, he became that monster.
Oh, so Kevin touched Ben's Omnitrix.
Mm-hmm.
Ah.
Because it contains more than one, so...
But then he got different powers than Ben. That's the weird thing.
No, he didn't get his powers from the Omnitrix, the way he transformed into the monster we just fought. In one of the episodes, he wanted the Omnitrix. He wanted to be just like Ben.
Oh.
So he touched it, and therefore he became the glitched monster.
Oh. What world's this?
Flapjack.
Ah. I'll be evil Flapjack. You look... That looks terrifying. That looks fucking terrifying.
It hurts.
But that's funny that we can be the dad of the Delightful Children. That's the weird one to me. That sticks. I think I saw... Did I see Mojo Jojo there?
Yeah, you know.
Oh, is it? Wait.
What? There's a clock. What?
Okay, this is so weird, though, that we're in Flapjack's world, and yet we're taking on... You'd think we'd be...
Candy pie.
Yeah, Candy Beer. You'd think we'd be one of the kids next door.
See, there's Sticky Beard.
Oh, okay.
I knew it was something beard. He's
Yeah.
either Candy Beard, and then I remember, oh yeah, it was Sticky Beard.
Ah, okay.
Because the candy sticks on his beard.
Yeah, wasn't that his whole thing, just stealing everybody's candy?
Yeah, and that's when he steals candy from her.
Like the weirdest... The Codenamed Kid Next Door had all the weirdest villains.
I guess.
Bye-bye. I mean, wasn't there one villain who had, like, no powers, just nothing but toilet paper or something?
It was it wasn't a sad adult who wanted to become a major villain like the rest
But
of the
he
adults.
had no power.
He had no really ability, so he wrapped himself up in toilet paper. And I think he became like the Plunger Avenger or something like that.
I have no idea. I just remembered a guy with toilet
he became
paper.
so jealous and had a mental breakdown because the kids next door wouldn't take him serious as the other ones. So.
Well, that's because he had no powers. There was that. There was the two guys who like always spoke in unison. There was like Mr. Fritz and the other guy who I think they were like the first villains who showed up. I don't remember what they did. They did something. And then there was the one random villain who just spanked everybody. Like that was his thing. He just spanks the children for no reason. Oh yeah, and wasn't...
Is this a seesaw?
Oh, I thought I could do something with that. Do we just keep running? I get... Oh, do we get the...
Oh, no, he just did it.
Don't stand too
Oh,
long
okay.
on one end.
Well, there I go. Like I said, Codenamed Kid Next Door had all the weirdest villains. Wasn't there a lunch lady who like just fattened up all the kids?
Yeah.
Wasn't that her goal, just to fatten them up with bad food or something?
I don't think it was bad for her. I think she was like making kids eat their vegetables or something.
Either that or just making him fat and lazy.
Pretty much fat and lazy, and then I think they won her over with the tap.
Ground attacks
Oh.
won't do anything against these bird brains.
What the fuck?
Chicken.
What the fuck? Giant chicken? What? What the hell, giant?
And you have seagull
And the shit hurts. I don't know. This just got weird. Why are there giant chickens? Why are there goddamn giant chickens? What the hell? Yeah, clearly I need to watch this show.
This cartoon. As I said, this is one of the late ones that I got to watch, and I actually prefer this over Chowder.
When did this come out? Was it a Millennium show?
Oh.
Wow, an actual good Millennium Cartoon Network show?
Yeah.
That's amazing.
It's called The Misadventures of Flapjack.
Ah, yeah, I've heard of it. I bet we can use it to launch stuff at that annoying pirate ship. Is that a giant slingshot?
Yeah.
What? Why does he have a giant... The pirate...
And you get a slingshot.
Pirates
That
have
seems like a
cannonballs,
pretty
you get a
even match.
slingshot.
You can use the slingshot.
Seems like
to
an even
fling stuff
match.
over
Yeah,
great
totally.
lengths to hit at distant targets. The farther back you pull,
Oh,
the
this is
farther
gonna
the
be
object
great.
will fly.
So I'm on my own again. Oh, that... Wow, this is great. Okay. So it's like now we're taking some Angry Birds kind of elements. Because I think Angry Birds was out at this point.
Buddy.
Oh, that's the giant whale. Is it? Oh dear, there goes that.
She's a giant blue. Jesus.
There goes that. Oh, she's a giant blue whale.
Yeah.
And he lives inside of the giant blue whale.
We'll sleep inside her mouth or on top of her.
Get back. Wait, is the dock getting closer?
The whole ship's getting closer.
Oh,
Oh,
wait,
my
where am I? Yeah, you're back. That was weird. Ah!
Ah!
Like I said, you can do up and triangle
That
if
would
you
be
need the
opposite
extra
of what you
boost.
want to happen there.
It's definitely... They definitely took a lot of things from Smash, including that. God, it's like... Evil Flapjack looks so terrifying.
Ow,
Ah! Why is Donkey Kong throwing his barrels at us? Oh my god!
Ow, smack.
Don't worry, I will shield you with my
I'll
body.
shoot you with my face. Oh, I wanted to see that.
Oh, what? Oh, but there goes... No.
Surgery haircut.
Surgery and haircuts? What? Does the barber do...
I like the shop stores there. They're actually.
Does the barber do surgery then?
Yeah, I
What?
guess.
That makes no sense.
Oh.
Basically, there's a million stories for all these shows that I'm not aware of that I need to go back and watch.
Wow, you've just hit rock bottom.
Throughout the show, like, you know, number one hated his dad. And those dad's kind part of the you know, I kept calling, you know, an idiot. He doesn't, you know,
Until he found out.
doesn't want to spend time. It was only later, towards the end of that movie, where he did find out that he was number 0, and he actually went against the family.
So his dad's number 0, and then okay.
Because Nigel's father's dad is, you know, is also father's dad.
Yeah.
He's like grandpa.
Wasn't their grandpa evil or something?
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember that.
He wanted both of his sons to
Be-
you know,
to
just
be
like
evil.
that, except for Nigel's father was the one.
This
who
one's
said,
for kids
"Go that family
everywhere."
route."
He went the
He
route of being
founded
a...
the Kids Next Door
Oh, okay.
as number 0.
Well, that seemed pointless.
And the Delightful Children is the Lost Troop.
Yeah, we have to go this way. Yeah, I remember they were former operatives.
Yeah. They were the troop that went missing, and you know,
In some mission or
father used his machine to make them completely obedient.
The Delightful Children. Which was one of the more memorable villain groups in that show. They were just so diabolically creepy.
Because in the movie, for temporary time, they did become unspelled, and they helped Nigel
Oh, they
for
helped.
the final battle against Father. They did help until the life bonus took them back over.
Oh.
Later, which was a sad moment because for a period of time they remember who they were. They used to be candy operators, and now they're pretty much. Can I not get up there?
It's a toilet paper guy. I don't remember his exact name, but oh god damn.
I'm just gonna run your ass over with some tanks. Okay, that was actually genuine.
Yeah, this game has a lot of good oh, wait. Mandark! What?
God damn it.
What? Oh shit, he summoned Mandark on us. I didn't know the... That's great. Oh. I don't know what that did. It told me to do it, though. What? The... Candybeard!
Oh,
we got Candybeard! He's on our side! Just shoot him in the face with a cannon.
I just like the other way, just fucking summon two, not one tank, but two tanks, you know, just in case.
Oh, what the hell? I love all
the
the...
annoying one from Foster's who wants chocolate milk, but he can't have it because he's lactose.
Oh god. That's great.
I forgot his name.
I don't... That's funny, though. That he wants chocolate milk, but he can't drink.
So he's like, I want chocolate milk.
Okay, he's dead. It's ironic, Sticky Bear just helped us.
Townsville.
Bubbles is like space and I just... Okay, like, Buttercup is fine. Okay, shut up for a minute. Blossom and Bubbles are tripping out on some really good drugs right now because their eyes are so dilated.
Especially Bubbles.
Like, what the hell did she snort? It's just like she can see every color in the fucking spectrum right now.
I can taste the colors.
She probably could. Just look at them! Just look at that! Like, Buttercup's eyes are fine. Like, it's just the dumb expressions on their face. Like, you don't even see their mouth. You just see, like, they really...
Well, no, I see Bubbles
like,
now.
Blossom she's, like, slouched like this. Like, you know, she's really on a drug trip on top of this building, okay?
I need to hide.
Just look at that!
Oh, my ribs, okay. Okay.
Just look at your eyes! I am not gonna sit through this!
God damn it! Oh, this is gonna be a problem. It's amazing we're distracted by this shit.
Ow. There we go.
Bye. There you go. I'm not even gonna worry about people, I'm just gonna go. Oh, that's a problem. Oh, it hurts us. Yeah, good. Face away from the camera.
Please do.
God damn it, there it goes.
She's so fucking tripping right now.
That hurts.
I wanna know what the hell she got into.
I have no...
Some new foot. Maybe it's that chemical X.
Oh dear. Oh, it hurts. It hurts.
I'm sorry, just I wanted to point that out, okay?
What, the fucking trippy ass eyes?
She's
How
got
could you
some fucking dilated eyes.
How could you miss it?
What the fuck?
God damn it. God damn this level.
Okay, I'm gonna give it props to some of the humor, but...
See, you like this game now.
Fucking hard hat on.
Why is Broccoli wearing a hard hat?
A gigantic one at that.
Why is Broccoli wearing a hard hat? That's so weird. And, well, he needs it because the broccoli thing on his head is so big, so he's got to cover the whole thing. Yeah, just drop down, I guess. Fucking giant broccoli with a hard hat. Blossom and Bubbles are tripping the fuck out. It hurts. It so hurts. I like this game now. I freaking like this game now because of this shit.
What the hell?
I don't know. I don't know, but it hurts.
It's like she fucking tore apart the fluff out of her stuffed animals and shoved it up her nose. Oh wait, she might have.
Oh no, it's like The Shining where she just breaks in. Here's Bubbles. Oh, now I have to do things.
Laser eyes.
Okay. And yet the entire time, she's still tripping the hell out.
They're not even coming out of her eyes. They're coming out of her forehead.
Yeah, well, doing it out of the eyes would have been too much. Yeah. No, she's on her drug trip. She tore apart her Octi, took the plug, dipped it in chemical X, and just shoved it right up her nose. And now she's going on a rampage through
town. She gave some to her sister, and they just sat atop the building and were just staring at nothing for 3 hours.
And now she's going on a rampage in Townsville. There goes the guy just flies by. There he goes.
I'm sorry, I'm sorry the way they did it. And it's only those two, like, Buttercup is fine.
Which is
like,
the...
I know they have unusually big eyes,
but still... Yeah, I get they're trying to be cute with the big eyes, but in this it looks like...
Just for some reason it just looks weird how Blossom and Bubbles, like,
because Buttercup has the big eyes, but then again with her eyebrows the way it was, she looked fine. It's just how these two had the big, wide-open eyes. It's like, put their...
Like, the way that they had Blossom just sit there with their, like, arms slouching. It's like, yeah, she's on a drug trip right now. She's not even home.
I'm tripping out, yo. Oh my god. It hurts.
Maybe they took some of the mayor's pickles and put them in.
Maybe. I don't know. What the hell? Why is there a guy in there? Is that the Flash? It's like the Flash is piloting. I don't know. I don't get why we don't just fly. Don't we have that power? What the hell?
It's the mayor.
Why is the mayor in the cage?
This is gonna be
Bubbles is freaking out, man. Well, we saved the mayor.
I'm so sorry, I cannot take this. Just look at the eyes.
God damn it.
Just look at the way they have him stand.
Yeah, let's just get
like...
Yeah, we know we unlocked them. I could have told you that. Oh. Okay. Damn it, Dracula, go away. Why is there Dracula a disco Dracula? That is the most random thing.
Oh my god.
What the hell do you have? Or
Yeah.
are you on Van Halen's guitar?
Yeah.
Uh-oh, here come the tanks! What the hell? I had a finger on a stick.
It's a poker.
I had a finger on a... What the hell? The power-ups in this are so weird. Yeah, we've been playing this for a while, though, and plus we're running out of time on this one, too. Which, I want to come back to this at some point, because near the end there, I started liking this just because of all the insane shit going on, such as Bubbles terrifying your nightmares.
What, LSD Bubbles?
Pretty much. Between her, the tanks, and the broccoli with hard hats, that made this game funny as shit. I kind of like this game now, even if it is kind of a bad Smash clone.
Mm-hmm.